Hey Pearls! On today's video, I wanted to share with you guys just 3 super quick Halloween costumes specifically for moms, but could be done for anyone really. But the thing is you can get all the supplies you need from the dollar store, and each costume is gonna take you 30 minutes or less. I know it's a little early to start talking about Halloween, not that far, but it's really not that far away. And the more you plan, the less stressed you're gonna be, and the less likely you're gonna be to impulse shop. So if you want some fun Halloween costume ideas, you're gonna wanna stick around. So if you're new to this channel, you guys probably don't know that this is where you need to come to start living your Pearl life. What that means, it is more than just living frugal. It's about making small changes in your everyday. They're gonna make a huge impact on your life in the long run. Start helping you achieve your dreams that you never thought you could achieve. Now that might sound a little bit cheesy when we're talking about Halloween costumes, but finding ways to help you save money and still be able to have a ton of fun in your everyday, that's gonna help you get there. So without further ado, let me show you 3 different Halloween costumes for moms that you can get done in 30 minutes with supplies from the Dollar Tree. The first one I want to talk to you guys about is the ice cream cone costume. All you're gonna need for this costume is some brown construction paper, or I just use packing paper. Popsicle sticks, you can buy the colored ones, or you can paint them whatever color you want. Safety pins, and you're also gonna need a headband, a hot glue gun and hot glue sticks, and a white t-shirt. Since you're using safety pins and not directly gluing the popsicle sticks onto your shirt, it's safe enough to use on your favorite white tee. We started off by just painting all of the popsicle sticks a random different color. Then all you have to do is hot glue the safety pins onto the sticks, making sure that you're leaving the opening end up and you're not gluing that part to the stick. Then to make the headband, all you have to do is cut out a 24-inch diameter circle out of your construction paper. Super simple, just tie a 12-inch string to a pen and just use it as your compass to draw a circle. Cut it out and cut one line from the outside of the circle to the center, and then just start rolling the paper on itself until you create the size of a cone that you really like. Attach the cone to your headband with the hot glue. And all that's left to do is to attach the popsicle sticks to your t-shirt. Just throw them on there randomly until they look like sprinkles. And there you have your ice cream costume. For the second costume I want to talk to you guys about, it's a pinata. Can you tell? It was a lot of fun to make, and actually, this is the costume that's going to take you probably the most time. I think it took me around 20 to 30 minutes to cut all the paper and glue it on, but it is a no-sew costume, which is a huge plus. So to make this costume, all you're going to need are some party hats, some colored tissue paper, hot glue gun, hot glue sticks. Oh, and some scissors. First, start off by cutting some of your tissue paper into 2-inch strips. On one side of each of the long strips of tissue paper, you're going to cut about 1-inch fringe. Then for your shirt, you're just gonna start attaching the tissue paper with hot glue. You're gonna wanna start from the bottom and work your way up, only covering the center part of your shirt. You're gonna finish off with the sleeves, starting at the bottom end of the sleeves and working your way up. Then to finish it off, we're gonna work on your party hat using the same technique, starting from the bottom, attaching the tissue paper to your hat with hot glue, and working your way to the top. And I saved the easiest one for last. It's a pineapple costume. For this costume, all you're gonna need is a yellow shirt. Again, if you're lucky, you might be able to find the t-shirt at the Dollar Tree. You're gonna need a headband, some green cardstock or poster board, glue gun, and hot glue. You're also gonna need the cardboard centered to a roll of toilet paper, and then a free printable template that I found from Studio DIY. I will have a link to their website for you guys down in the description box. To get this costume together, all we have to do is make the headband. To start, print the template from Studio DIY, cut it out, trace it onto your poster board, cut out your poster board. Now that you have all your leaves cut out, Start with the longest ones and attaching them to the cardboard roll using the hot glue. Try to space them evenly around the tube and then continue layering using the largest to the smallest. And then attach your leaves to your headband. That's it. So simple. Pineapple costume. There you guys have it. What do you think about all of these different costumes? Would you be willing to wear them? If you are planning on using one of these, I would love to see your pictures on Instagram. Make sure to use the hashtag PearlLife when you're sharing them. Make sure to tag me in all of your Instagram pictures with your fun Halloween ideas. So which Halloween costume do you think you're gonna use this year? Or do you have any other super fun, cheap, quick Halloween ideas that you're gonna use? Let's chat about that down in the comments. If you want more videos like this, kind of like fun, creative, DIY type videos, make sure to leave a thumbs up and then let me know also down in the comments, because if you guys like them, I'll keep making more of them. Thanks you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you very soon. Bye!